Welcome back to YouTube. Today's video I'm going to be running through some of the current products that we've been reviewing, testing and using on both our Instagram and YouTube pages. So let's get straight into it. Right guys, so moving on, first thing is our brand new MDF shelving that we've put inside our garage for all of our detailing products. Previously we had them stored up here in plastic containers, but certainly since we started our YouTube, it's good if we're getting these products out all the time to review, just to have them to hand. It also helps us when we are detailing on our driveway, which again has just been repainted, ready for the upcoming YouTube videos. So getting straight into the products, starting on the top shelf, we've got our tyre dressing applicator, our Easy Car Care Snow Lance with Bosch attachment for our Bosch power washer. We have Meguiar's all metal polish from the next generation. This is probably going to be our next product review. We've got a particularly dirty exhaust that we want to get into and show you guys the results. This is one of our favourite polishes that we've used, so certainly recommend this. Moving across to the Poor Boys Lost World wheel sealant. Now this is a wax sealant for your alloy wheels. However, we would recommend, if you're planning to use this, that you certainly take your alloy wheels off of your car before doing so. It can be quite difficult to work with getting in behind spokes and around brakes. So if you took your alloy wheels off and you're looking for some long-term protection, this is certainly a good option. Onto a couple of hard waxes now. So we have Autobeads Ceramic Wax Silex series. This is the SiO2 infused wax. 8 months protection. We've reviewed this quite extensively already on our page, so please check out the other videos if you're interested in this one. Really good product. We've got a staple in the wax world, which is the Fuso coat from Soft 99. This is a 12-month coating. It's won multiple awards, and this is the dark paint version. I'm actually yet to use the version that's specifically formulated for light paint, so I'm interested to know if there's any particular difference. So please let me know if you've worked with that in the comments below. A couple of brushes now. So this is just our go-to brush for working with floor mats or boot linings that are particularly dirty. And then we have our Carbon Collective hexagonal interior brush. Now this is for upholstery, both fabric and leather seats. Now this is a really fabulous brush. We've again used this in one of our recent videos when we've used the Revive and Veneer on some oyster leather seats on a Jaguar. So check that out. Really good product there from Carbon Collective. Moving up then, we have our pot of interior detailing brushes. So if we put this down here, we'll get into a few of these. These brushes are from Auto Bright Direct. Really nice brush to work with. Again, we've labelled them up. You can see it's gone through quite a bit of use there. So we have one for our wheels, one for our interior, one for our paintwork, and I think we have one for our engine bay that we use with degreasers as well. We're currently also putting all of our spare sort of spray nozzles in here, along with some black nitrate gloves, just working with chemicals. Moving downwards then, we've kind of gone in a brand order here, just for ease. So we've got some great products from the Akira brand, which we've been reviewing already on our Instagram page. And to be honest, I still need to get into a few of these. We've got a lot of products at the minute to review, but from what I've seen so far, the Lavish pH Neutral Shampoo, really good product, smells great, very easy to use. I've also been using the Citrus Duo Bug and Grime Remover as my go-to remover at the moment, which is why it's actually not on the shelf, because I have none left. But again, that was another really good product. The tar and glue remover also worked really well. We used that when we went for a full decontamination on a customer's white BMW, and that was a great product. But we still have got the fallout remover, the quick detailer, and the Glacier shampoo to review. So we will let you guys know how we get on with those. Carbon Collective, as mentioned with the detailing brush, we've got Revive Leather Foam, which comes in a really cool pump action bottle, very nice to use. And we have the Veneer Leather Protectant in spray form. Great products, really cool to use. Again, separate YouTube video on them, link in description if you want to see it. We got a couple of samples of the Repel Fabric Protectant and the Hybrid Coating. On the Repel Fabric Protectant, as you can see, I've done 2 whole bottles here, so 100 ml on 2 seats. Now these were Alcantara seats on a BMW 2 Series. The seats were pretty much brand new. They'd only been covered like 1,000 miles from new, so they were in good shape. We gave them a good clean and gave them 2 coatings of Repel. Now, we weren't that impressed with Repel in comparison to the Fenir leather protectant. If any of you guys got any comments on that, or you've sort of experienced a similar thing, let us know. It may be that perhaps we need some more coatings, but we will be coming back to that. Moving across then, we've got the Polished Pigs Piglets collection, which we've just received in the post this week, so we cannot comment on that too far. The only thing I could say is that I think the branding is really cool. Logo, I think the Polished Pig guys have nailed it. Made in the UK, so we've got the whole sample collection to test out. We will be coming back to this in upcoming videos. We've got a little bit of a miscellaneous section now, so we've got the Auto Bright Tire Gloss, Detailed Online Natural Dressing, which is interior dressing, some Juicy Details Clay Lube, and Auto Finesse Crystal Glass Cleaner. All of the products that you'll see on this line here have been picked up from Because Racebox. We've done a builder box and we've picked up these for as cheap as, I think, £1.49, 99p, £2 and £3. So really good way, guys, to get stuck into some products and try before you buy as such. I'll be putting the link to their website below. Tire gel, very good, although was outperformed by the Auto Glim. Interior detailer, no problem with that. Clay lube, fantastic. Crystal glass cleaner, we'll get onto that when I move on to the glass cleaners below. Moving across, we've got Wolf Armour's Alpha Glass, which is a glass sealant. Very, very impressive results on our YouTube, guys. So please, 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 if you haven't done so already, check out our video. We got some crazy beading and protection on our glass when using this. Again, Because Racebox, £5. I've got almost a whole bottle left. We've got some Soft 99 pH neutral shampoo. Poor Boys World Black Hole, which is a sort of a show glaze for dark coloured cars. We've used this before, we ran out, so we just picked up this small sample bottle for when we finally get to show season, when COVID has gone, and we'll be using this. This is a fantastic sort of glaze filler before wax. Really gives a nice depth of gloss on dark coloured cars. We've got Bear Care UK Immaculate Premium Shampoo, another pH neutral shampoo. We've recently used that in the summer prep on the red BMW full ceramic detail, so check that out on our YouTube. It's a luxury leather cleaner from Jaguar, and we actually got this when we purchased our Jaguar F-Pace. I don't really know too much about it, but I know it works and it's really good stuff, so shout out to Jaguar for nailing that one. Car Gods Fabric Reviver, which we use on our sort of really, really dirty fabric customer cars that come in, and Ultimate Wash and Wax from Meguiar's. pH neutral, synthetic polymer technology, very glossy, really, really good on your waxes and sealants. So if you want to look after your waxes and any protection, you can't really go wrong with Meguiar's. Classic yellow colour with the Meguiar's buckets there. Really good stuff. Moving down, we go on to Detailer's Juice section. Got the Super Suds Jelly Bean Shampoo, which, okay, fine. We give that a 6 out of 10. The Bumblebee Spray Wax, which we weren't too impressed with. Gloss and Glaze Spray Polish, which was actually a very good product. And maybe my favourite product from the Detailer's Juice was the Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy. This is a plastic cleaner, lemon scented, smells great, works really good on interior and exterior plastics. Next product in the lineup is Beadmaker Paint Protectant. This is from P&S Professional Detail Products. Spray applied, crazy hydrophobic effects. Now this is a paint protection or like a sealant that you may apply after your wax. We found it gives us 3 to 4 very good weeks of beading in the rain and protection. We use that as our go-to on maintenance washes on the M140i. Now, in a close second behind that, we've got QD Plus, which is the Quick Detailer Plus from Poor Boys World. Exactly the same sort of product, sealant, quick detailer after waxing, great for maintenance washes, particularly good on dark coloured vehicles. We've got our spray and wipe, waterless wash and quick detailer. Not too much to be said there. Moving downwards, we've got our Easy Car Care section, where we have our alloy wheel sealant, Wheel Armour, which is a spray-on wheel sealant. We much prefer this to the Poor Boys wax, however it won't give you as many weeks protection, so again another great one to use in between washes. And the Supercharged Hyper Concentrated Shampoo, we've used a fair bit of this so far. It isn't pH neutral, but it is good at breaking down if it's heavily soiled. However, I'm not too sure on its capability in terms of protecting your waxes, so I'll review this maybe a bit more in depth in the future. Now we've got our auto bead section. We've got the spray sealant, the alloy cleaner, leather and fabric cleaner, clean and prepare glass cleaner, and an all-purpose cleaner. We've covered Auto Bead quite extensively in recent weeks, for very good reason. We're getting on really well with all of their products, particularly the spray sealant, which is their SiO2 sort of ceramic or spray sealant after your wax. We're finding alone just with the spray sealant we're getting an easy 3 to 4 months. So if you stack that with a nice hard wax applied first, you're getting some crazy length of time of protection in a spray format. So really impressed with this stuff. Equally, the alloy cleaner is fabulous. It's non-acidic, safe on all alloy finishes, painted or not. We use this with our Auto Bright detailing brushes. Cleans our wheels lovely. Next up is the Auto Glim section, where we've got the Ultimate Screen Wash, the high performance tire gel. So I touched on this with Auto Bright, and this is a very superior product. Fantastic format of tire gel. It can get messy, as you can tell from the bottle, but if you use it with a dressing applicator, absolutely no problem. Really love this stuff. Got extra gloss protection, which, similar to the spray sealant, is a high gloss protective paintwork sealant used after polish or waxing stage. Just adds a little extra level of protection and a bit of added gloss. The classic super resin polish and the bodywork shampoo. Now, in addition to the products, we've got a couple of extra miscellaneous items that we do sometimes go to. One of them being the Stoner's Invisible Glass. Safe on tints, streak free, and when used with a glass with cloth is really probably the best of the best in terms of glass cleaner. So definitely check this one out, guys. Also got the Rain-X glass cleaner and rain repellent, which used to be our go-to before the Alpha Glass, so that will certainly be replaced with Alpha Glass. Moving backwards, we've got this trunk. It's where we clean our jet wash and our microfibers. So we have one for clean microfibers and one for dirty. We open it up. We've got a couple of wax applicators here, which were kindly sent from Polished Pigs this week, so these are brand new. One of our go-to microfiber towels, which is the panel wipes from Carbon Collective. Our microfiber wash mitts from Meguiar's. I really like this Meguiar's wash mitt. We go through sort of one of these every sort of 6 to 8 weeks, but machine washable, really easy to look after, really good cleaning capability. So we've got a couple of these in here with our Aqua Coat Auto Finesse drying towel. We also have a couple of Sam's detailing drying towels, which are probably one of our favorite. They're currently in the wash. So that is the most of our arsenal that we're currently working with. Again, we have got a few more products that we're not using all of the time, but I will leave you with a few close-ups of these products that we've mentioned today. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. If there's any of the products that I've shown you on the lineup here today that you'd particularly like to see an in-depth review of, or any questions on any other products or anything you would like to see us review, please leave it in the comments below. As always, don't forget to hit subscribe, which is there or there. Thanks for your continued support, and we hope you enjoyed the video.